Good afternoon, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures coming to you Wednesday afternoon, August 1st with a grain market wrap-up. Grains closed lower across the board. September corn down 6 cents at $8.01 cents. November soybeans down 12 cents at $16.29. September wheat down 8 3/4 at $8.79 1/2. Now all three of the big grains had some pretty good bounces. They did close negative, but well off their lows. Corn is likely to be range bound, maybe trade a little bit lower, but I think the range would be contained somewhere between 820, 825 on the upside, 775, maybe even 750 on the downside. No reason for the market really to trade much higher or much lower at this time. It's kind of in a holding pattern, waiting to see how things develop with the yield. And you know, some of the early stuff down south is already coming out of the ground. We'll have to wait and see maybe a month or two till we get a better idea on what the real yield is. Is it going to be sub 130, or is it going to be something, you know, closer to 137 or 138? We're going to have to wait and see. Soybeans, in my opinion, is the one market in the grains here that is most likely to make new highs. This market may also find itself range bound, but we're entering a very critical stage of development. The next 2 to 3 weeks is very important. If we don't get some rain, some cooler temps, we remain hot and dry, then soybeans are likely to go higher. The demand has been very good there, as opposed to the corn where the demand has been very weak. Tomorrow we do have weekly export sales, so you know we'll see how those go, but corn is not expecting very much there. Last week it was actually a net cancellation. Soybeans were very strong. Tomorrow, you know, we'll see how that goes. There's also talk that some members of Congress are going to hold a press conference tomorrow, talk about the EPA and their mandate for ethanol blending. A lot of pressure on the EPA right now coming from meat producers and now members of Congress to ease up on that mandate. It's not likely to happen in my opinion, but it is an election year and everybody wants to put their best foot forward. So look for news on that tomorrow, weekly export sales tomorrow, and I'll be back again tomorrow afternoon to give you a wrap up. In the meantime, feel free, shoot me an email or give me a call. My number is 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.